Question number 1. Remove grouping symbols and combine like terms. Okay, so we have 10x minus 3 times x minus 2y. All right, 10x minus 3x plus 6y distributed 3. And these two like terms, it's going to be 7x plus 6y. Okay. Second question. We have 5 times c minus 5d minus 3c plus d. So 5c minus 25d minus 3 minus d. So let me see, this is 3c and minus d. So this like term with this, it's going to be 2c, and it's going to be minus 26d. Question number 3. We have negative 6 x plus 3y plus 4 times 2x plus y. Okay, so let's see, let me color it so we can see which one is what. All right, it's going to be negative 6x minus 18y plus 8x plus 4y. Negative 6x plus 8x, it's going to make 2x. Negative 18y plus 4y minus 14y. Question number 4. We have 3x times 3x squared minus 4 times x minus 1. Okay, so 3x times 3x squared. I'm opening this inside parentheses because we are opening from inside out. So inside parentheses, I'm distributing minus 4x plus 4. And now I distribute 3x on every single term. It's going to be 9x cubed, x times x squared, x cubed. 3x times negative 4x, it's going to be minus 12x squared, x times x is x squared. And plus 3x times 4, it's going to be 12x. And that's it. Number 5. Okay. Question number 5. So we have twice square brackets 3 times x plus y and minus 4 times 6x minus 2y. Okay, twice I will have, let me see, oops, it's going to be 3x plus 3y, and then minus 24x plus 8y. Okay, so what we are going to have from here, I can combine like terms first and then multiply by 2. It's going to be twice 3x and negative 24x. It's going to be negative 21x. And 3y plus 8y, it's going to be 11y. So if I multiply, I'm getting negative 42x plus 22y. Question number 6. It's going to be 4 times 6a minus 3a times 2a plus 2b and plus 6a squared. Okay, so first let me change the color of this one because I'm going to open this one first. So 4 times 6a, next negative 3a times 2a, it's going to be negative 6a squared, and then minus 6ab and plus 6a squared. All right, what do we have here? Negative 6a squared plus 6a squared is canceling, and we are getting 4 times 6a, it's going to be 24a, and minus 4 times 6ab, going to be minus 24ab. And that's it. Question number 7. All right. Question number 7. 9b plus curly braces negative square root, square brackets 6a plus 4 times 6a minus 5b closing and parentheses and square brackets minus 2 closing curly braces. Okay, let me take a minute and explain to you curly braces, square bracket, parentheses. When you have several the parentheses into each other, look, 1, 2, let's say 3, and then 4, it can be very much confusing. Therefore, inside the smallest one, we use parentheses. If you need another parentheses, instead of this parentheses, we are using square bracket. And then if you need one more parentheses, instead of parentheses, we are using curly braces. This is just for clearly see where is the opening, where is the closing. Let's say if I want to find closing of this one, I have to go count and might won't see one parenthesis and count wrong one. So that's what it is. The smallest one we use inside parentheses, we use this parentheses, and then if we need one more, square brackets. If we need one more, curly braces. There is nothing more higher. Okay? All right. That's all it is. Otherwise, no difference. If you want to put everywhere parentheses, be my guest, but then it's easier get confused. All right, let's solve it. So 9b plus, I'm going to, change the color for this one. Okay. All right, and we have minus 6a plus, okay, 4 times 6a is 24a and minus 20b. Okay, the parentheses are gone. We opened it. So we have left square brackets and minus 2. Okay, 9b. If I want, I can take off square brackets. Now here put parentheses because we don't have parentheses anymore, right? Just ignore it. Plus, we have negative. So let's see if we can combine this and this. Okay, I put here parentheses. 6a plus 24a, it's going to be 30a minus 20b minus 2. Now instead of curly braces, here I could put square brackets. Okay, now 9b plus opening parentheses, it's going to be negative 30a plus 20b and then minus 2, right? Because this negative sign is applying only to these parentheses. That's it. All right, so like terms, we have 9b and 20b, and the answer is negative 30a plus 29b and minus 2. Okay, question number 8. So what do we have here? So we have 4 times curly braces 3b squared plus twice 2b minus 4 minus b. Here we have parentheses and then this is square brackets. Okay, and closing curly braces. Let me double check. 4 times 3b squared plus 2 times 2b minus 4 minus b. Okay, let's start solving. 4 times 3b squared plus twice. I'm opening parentheses here, so therefore square brackets are replaced with parentheses. It's going to be 2b minus 4 plus b. Okay, and here we get 4 times, let me put square brackets, 3b squared plus, so here we have 2b and b, it's going to be twice 3b minus 4. Okay, here we get 4 times 3b squared plus 2 times 3b, it's going to be 6b, and then minus 8. Okay, and we have 12b squared plus 24b, and then minus 32. Okay, and one more, and that will be the last one. All right. So what do we have here? Number 9. Negative 3, curly braces, 4a squared minus 5, square brackets, 4a squared minus 2b plus a squared, parentheses, square brackets, curly braces. Okay, negative 3, 4a squared minus 5. So I'm using parentheses because inside parentheses I'm going to open 4a squared minus 2b minus a squared. Right? All right, like terms. It's going to be negative 3, 4a squared minus 5 times 4a squared minus a squared, 3a squared minus 2b. Okay, now let's multiply negative 3. I'll put square brackets, 4a squared minus 15a squared plus 10b. And like terms, and we are getting negative 3, put parentheses, negative 11a squared plus 10b, and we get negative 30 or positive 33a squared minus 30b. And we are done. Okie dokie. You watch this one and I will record next one.